Learn to trust your partner by following these simple, powerful tips. Most people are aware that building solid, enduring relationships begins with trust. While having occasional concerns is perfectly acceptable, having no trust in your spouse at all might result in a lot of wounded feelings and marital problems. 1. If your lover has a history of wrongdoing, give him a second chance. Nobody is flawless, and it's possible that your guy did something in the past that made him appear unreliable. Try not to bring those things up and try to concentrate on the present instead if you've decided to forgive him and move on. 2. Let him convince you that he deserves your faith. Trust him when he says he'll be on time when you make arrangements together. When he says he's hanging out with a friend when you ask him where he's going, believe him. Allowing your lover to establish his reliability can be difficult. 3. You both need to live separate lives from each other. Even while it may seem impossible right now, it will become simpler the more time you spend apart. Tell him to enjoy himself and text you when he gets back if he's going out with pals. This is a useful strategy for gradually gaining your full trust in him. 4. Don't text or phone him a lot while he's away. He's probably too busy having fun with buddies to check his phone. Try your best to divert your attention and focus on something else. Don't text him too frequently, only a few times will do to find out where he is. 5. Unfortunately, this will probably lead to greater problems with trust. Even while it could be alluring to look through his social media or read through his phone messages for information, doing so could damage your relationship. Going through his belongings is a privacy invasion that can make your lover doubt you. 6. You're more inclined to believe he is telling the truth when you do. Be upfront and honest with your boyfriend at all times, and avoid lying to him. If you lead by example, he will probably do the same. 7. To feel closer to him, be vulnerable with him. It can take some time for you to totally trust him because trust doesn't come naturally. Being open and enabling him to get to know the real you will hasten this process. You'll probably come to trust him more as the two of you get to know one another better. 8. Investigate the possible reasons you might not trust your boyfriend. Because of anything that occurred in a previous relationship, we occasionally lack trust. Other times, our partners have given us a reason to question them, which is why we don't trust them. Recognize whatever emotions you may be experiencing. Then sit down with yourself and try to determine the underlying source of your trust concerns. 9. Spend time with your boyfriend doing activities you both enjoy. Spending time together isn't the same as having quality time. You can spend time together watching TV without growing closer. Make it a point to go on dates and engage in enjoyable activities that strengthen your bond. It will bolster your relationship and increase your mutual trust over time. 10. It might be challenging to address trust difficulties on your own. Make an appointment with a therapist to discuss your feelings if you need help understanding how you can trust your partner. You can discuss what has happened in the past, the possible causes of your lack of trust, and what you can do moving forward to make your relationship better. 11. Assume the best about your boyfriend and try to recognize the good in him. Keep in mind that he is the man you are in love with, and that he probably feels the same way about you. In order to avoid unnecessary stress on your part, try not to think that he is out to break your heart. 12. Tell your lover what is acceptable and unacceptable behavior in your relationship. Your lover is far less likely to breach any lines without knowing if you establish these rules in advance. Sit down with him and discuss your comfort levels in an open and honest dialogue. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.